It's time for one of the most exciting parts of the housing process. Step 2, selecting your bed. Before Step 2 begins, housing selection time slots will be assigned and sent out via email. Time slots are assigned based on your completed credits toward your current degree program. However, honors college students and seniors are assigned the first time slots. If you are selecting on your own, you can access Step 2 at your assigned time slot to select an available bed. If you are selecting as a group, the group leader is responsible for accessing Step 2 at their assigned time slot and selecting housing for each member of their group. Once you enter the portal to select your bed, you will only see the options available to you. If you are selecting on your own, you will only see partially filled suites. If you are selecting with a group, you will only see suites that can fit your whole group. If you're an honors student or a senior, you will see every available bed on campus, no matter if you're selecting as a group or an individual. The housing portal has restrictions in place that allows only students with a time slot of that day to access the housing application until the evening. Try to select your bed as close to your time slot as possible. Each day from 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. the next day, the housing portal will be open to everyone with a time slot that has already passed. Every individual student is responsible for completing the remainder of their own housing application, including selecting renter's insurance, choosing a meal plan, and signing your housing contract. Once you have signed your housing contract, a copy of the contract will be sent to your GCU email. It can also be found in the Messages tab in the housing portal. Once you complete your housing application, you will see the application status page. On this page, you will have access to various resources, including future roommates, move-in information, and room switch. To ensure your best housing outcome, make sure you complete Step 2 before the deadline, and keep in mind important housing dates.